no pressure and kind of get into a groove?
Yeah, man. It's been obvious. I've been out of whack for a little while, and it was good to get back on the mound and just go out there and throw the ball and figure it out. And I was blessed to be able to go out there and do it tonight.
What'd you think of your stuff tonight, just out on the mound?
I felt good. It was good to get out there and and go 2 solid innings and not getting yanked off the mound. I was glad. I figured out you put it in the zone. I got good enough guys out there that they'll back me up with it.
What have you and AD been working on in the last couple of weeks?
I was a little out of sync with mechanics, and we did some things, and just what it boils down to is just go out there and throw the ball. And I can't get out there and overthink it. I just got to get out there and throw the heck out of it, and that's what I did tonight.
Was it tougher mentally or physically? I mean, obviously you had some mechanical stuff, but mentally it's got to be tough too.
Mentally, I've never been nervous. Even the first time, I was never nervous. It was mainly just the mechanic side of it, and being out of whack, and just getting back to how I was last year, and I felt good tonight.
Do you think this is kind of a launching point for you moving forward?
Definitely.